Hi, let's talk about acts of a kind in a deck of cards. So in a deck of cards, each card has an integer written on it. Return true if only if you can choose s greater or equal than 2, such that it is possible to split the entire deck into one or more groups of cards. And then there are the rules. Each group has exactly S card, and all the cards in each group has the same integer. So for this question, this is pretty uh, tricky. You can actually use the greatest common divisor, and then later on, you store every single integer into a map, and then the key is the 1 2 3 4 5, right? Which is the unique integer in the deck, and then the value is the frequency of each unique key. So let me just write a common greatest common divisor, and I will tell you later what should you do. So private, and then it's going to be int for GCD, right? Greatest common divisor, and I would say int a int b. So if you don't know this, you can actually search on Google what is the greatest common divisor method. So if b is greater than equal to greater 0, it's either return the GCD b and a mod b, and else return a, right? So you need to keep mod the number until you can mod, right? If that's greater than 0, right? Greatest common divisor is actually mean, right? If GCD 2 3, right? What do you actually return? You can, right? I mean, there's no greatest common divisor, right? So it's going to be 0. So what happened to 2 2? That will return 2, right? So you probably know the idea. I have HashMap integer and integer. And then this will be a map and new HashMap. And I'm going to say result equal to 0. And then I will just keep updating my result value, and then later on I will just return a result. Okay, so I'm going to traverse the deck. So for int d in d, right? For int d in deck, right? So I'm going to say map.put d, and then map.get or d for at map.get, right? Oh, sorry, map.get or d for d is either d or 0 plus 1, right? So this is how you actually add the frequency number into the map. So if the d is already add into the map, right? I would get the map.get d and then plus 1. If the if d is not in the map, so the frequency will start from 0 and then plus 1. This is pretty straightforward. And then I will have to say in num in the map.value. So this is traversing the map.value, which is the frequency number. And I'm going to say result equal to GCD, and then result and then num. So if any number that is GCD with the num, result and num, and then this will give you the greatest common divisor. So if the divisor is greater than 1, which is result, right? Which is true. So 2, 2, 2, 2, you will have result equal to 2. So this is true. How about this? 3, 2, 2. This is actually 0, right? Okay, 2, 2 is 2, right? But okay, 2, 3. So 3, 3, 2. So 3, 3 is 3, right? 3 and 2 is 0, right? So this will return the result is not greater than 1, which is false. And then 1, I mean nothing. 0 and 1 is nothing. 1, 1, true, right? And then 2, 4. 2 and 4, right? Greatest common divisor is 2 and 4, which is 2, which is greater than 1, right? So let's just run it and see if I have any error or not. And this will be it. Alright. And let's talk about time and space complexity. For the time, traverse every single element in the map, in the array, so that will be all of them. And you do need to store in the map, right? So that will be all of them for the space. So these are the solution, and if you feel any helpful, subscribe, like if you want it, and then leave a comment if you have, and I'll see you next time. Bye.